Do you wonder what is link in bio? You must have heard this term from creators and influencers urging you to check out the link in their bio. But do you know what it is actually means? Hello, I am Anurag and welcome to the new video of Themang. The link in bio refers to the clickable URL that appears in your social media profile description, which redirects your audience to multiple links with just one URL. If you are a social media influencer, artist, digital marketer, or any type of creator, you can create a beautiful link in bio website using some pre-made templates. But first, let's understand the uses of link in bio. It is used to promote products or services. It can be linked to social media platforms. It can be act as central hub for all content. It can be used for event promotion. It redirects users for fundraising or charity page. If you are a creator or business owner, you can gather leads also. Now, let's see how can you create a link in bio website. First, let's take a look at them. On this page, you will find all the link in bio website templates. You can check out the link in description. Our first template is Healthy Nutrition Link in Bio template. This template is ideal for dietitians or anyone promoting healthy living. It combines vibrant visuals with functional links to various pages. The nutrition plan page is perfect for displaying a variety of personalized nutrition plans. It features a clear, easy to read chart with different plans tailored to various health and fitness goals, helping your audience find the right option for your needs. The shop section allows you to sell health related products such as peanut butter, protein bars, and other nutritious snacks. The page is designed to make it easy for visitors to purchase your products with just a few clicks. On the general wellness page, you can share valuable tips and advise your audience to stay fit and healthy. The consultation page includes a simple user-friendly form where users can fill out their details and schedule a consultation. It also features a testimonial section where satisfied clients share their experience working with you, adding trust and credibility to your services. The search feature helps users find specific content on the site. The user icon is located here, allowing users to register or log into your site. This is Fitness Trainer Link in Bio template. It is perfect for personal trainers. This template helps to showcase your journey, blogs, and social media links to engage your audience. In the journey section, you can display different milestones and achievements in your fitness journey. The gallery page is a collection of motivational images and videos that showcase your work, transformations, workouts, or client's success story. The blog page is a space to share fitness related blogs and articles on various topics such as workout routines, nutrition advice, weight loss tips, and mental wellness. The About page provides a detailed personal introduction that includes your background, training style, certifications, and fitness philosophy. In the contact section, you can include your address and users can easily reach out to inquire about personal training sessions, group fitness classes, or any other services you offer. This is Travel Influencer Link in Bio template. This template is for those who want to travel and share their experiences. It offers a visual journey with links to travel guides, partner promotions, and social media profiles, helping you share your adventure with your followers. On the travel blogs homepage, you can give a short introduction to welcome visitors and give them a glimpse of who you are and what your blog is about. The social media links allow users to follow your travel adventures on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. The blog page allows posts to be organized by categories such as destinations, travel tips, culture, etc., making it easy for visitors to navigate. The portfolio section is a visually appealing gallery where you can list all the places you have visited and with corresponding images and description. Each can be paired with personal experiences, travel tips, or lesson learned, providing readers with valuable insights. The About page is a personal space where you can tell your travel story and journey. The contact page displays your address and a contact form, allowing users to reach out for collaboration opportunities, inquiries, or simply connect you with regarding travel advice or partnerships. If you observe in this website template, the page title is prominently displayed with a stunning background image, creating a visually appealing showcase. And this is Fashion Designer link in bio template. This template is designed for fashion creators. It emphasizes your collection, design portfolio, and online store. On the home page, you will be greeted by a visually stunning interface with vibrant colors and a well-organized layout. Easy to navigate buttons are available to direct users to all other pages. On the About page, you have the opportunity to introduce yourself, share your mission, and explain why potential clients or customers should choose you. The blog page allows you to write and share posts about the latest fashion trends, runway shows, or your personal experience in the fashion world. If you have products to sell, the shop page is a professional designed for seamless shopping experience. Users can filter products and add items to their cart directly from this page. Lastly, the contact form is available for anyone who wants to reach out to you. Visitors can easily fill out the form to get in touch. Now let's see how can you build your website using this template. First, open your dashboard, click on Appearance and then click on Add New Theme. Go to search bar and search for Shopmania. This is our theme. Click on the Install button and then on Activate. The theme is now activated. To upgrade the Pro version, go to Themunk and purchase the Shopmania Pro theme. The link to Shopmania is in description. After purchasing the Shopmania Pro, you will need to install it in the dashboard. So open your dashboard, go to Plugins and then click on Add New Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin and upload the Shopmania Pro plugin you just downloaded. After activation, it will appear in your plugins list. However, to upgrade the theme, you need to activate the license. Go to Appearance and click on License. Click on Find your license key. Log in with your members area credentials. Copy the Shopmania Pro license key and return to the license page. Paste the license key and click on Activate. You will be redirected to a page where you will find all the pre-made templates built on the Shopmania theme. This confirms that the license is activated and your theme is now Shopmania Pro. Here you can filter templates by page builder and categories. To search for a specific template, click on the search bar and look for the template. Now click on the template you want to import. This will show a preview of your template and you can view the site here. After reviewing, click on Continue. Then click on Build My Website. This process may take some time, but once it's done, your site will be ready. On this page, you can make customizations if you want. To do so, click on Customize. This will open site with Elementor. Using the drag and drop page builder, you can customize the site. After making changes, click on the Publish button to save the changes. Now click on View Website to see your site. This is our site with the change we recently done. And you can see it is well imported as we seen in the preview. If you want to make code changes, click on Customize at the top bar. This is Customizer. In the site identity section, you can change the logo, name, favicon, etc. Layout and Options offers multiple layouts and their settings. Here you can adjust layouts for the header, footer, sidebar, etc. In the Typography section, you can change the font family, font size and make other typography related customizations. The Total Color and Background section is responsible for customizing link colors, text, headings, hover effects, tooltips and background colors. To integrate your social media accounts, There are boxes where you can paste links for multiple social media platforms. If you want to add a preloader, you can do so and even change the background color. The menu section allows you to add, edit or remove menus and reorder them as well. There are also widgets and homepage settings. In the WooCommerce section, you can customize the WooCommerce page settings. After all, don't forget to save the changes with this button. Now let's get back to our site. But wait, take a look at the mobile view of the website. The website fits perfectly on mobile devices. Your users can easily access and view your website on mobile as well. This isn't only mobile friendly website. Every website we visited recently is Fluid-like responsive, providing the best view on all devices. As you can see, this fashion designer website looks beautiful on mobile. Users can access all pages easily. So, this is how you can create a beautiful link in bio website. Thanks for watching.